Picture this. You're on a construction site. Sun's beaten down. Dust's flying. The air is thick with the smell of diesel and sweat. It's a typical day in the life of a construction worker. You're moving dirt like it's going out of style. The bulldozer's engine roars as it pushes through the earth, making way for the foundation of a new building. Suddenly, the bulldozer coughs, sputters, and goes dead. The once mighty machine is now a hunk of metal, lifeless and still. Work grinds to a halt. Everyone's looking at you. The site falls silent, except for the murmurs of frustration and the occasional clank of tools. That's equipment downtime, and it's a real pain. It's not just a minor hiccup, it's a major disruption. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a budget buster. The costs start piling up, and the project budget takes a hit. Every minute that equipment sits idle, it costs money. The clock is ticking, and with each tick, dollars are slipping away. We're talking lost productivity, wasted labor, and missed deadlines. The ripple effect of one broken machine can be felt across the entire project, and nobody wants that, especially when you're working on a tight schedule. Deadlines loom, and the pressure mounts. The success of the project hangs in the balance. Studies show that unplanned downtime can eat up to 5% of a construction company's annual revenue. That's huge! Imagine the impact on your bottom line when machinery sits idle and projects come to a grinding halt. It's not just a minor inconvenience, it's a significant financial drain. Think about all the materials, labor, and overhead you're paying for even when nothing's getting done. Every hour of inactivity translates to wasted resources and lost opportunities. The ripple effect can be felt across the entire project timeline. And it's not just the big stuff. Small inefficiencies add up too. Even small tools going missing can add up. Misplaced or broken tools can cause delays and increase costs. It's like death by 1,000 cuts. Each small issue compounds, creating a larger problem that can derail your entire project. Suddenly you're over budget, behind schedule, and your crew's getting restless. The stress levels rise, and the pressure to meet deadlines becomes overwhelming. Not a good situation to be in. Effective management and proactive measures are crucial to avoid these pitfalls and keep your project on track. But here's the thing. The real cost of downtime goes beyond dollars and cents. It's about your reputation. When projects get delayed, clients get unhappy. Word gets around, and soon you're the company that can't deliver on time. And in this business, your reputation is everything. So how do you avoid these costly downtime disasters? That's where AHG QR Inventory comes in. AHG QR Inventory is like having a guardian angel for your equipment. It's always there, watching over your assets, ensuring everything is in its place and working as it should. It's a comprehensive software solution that helps you track your assets, schedule maintenance, and manage your resources efficiently. With AHG QR Inventory, you can keep everything running smoothly, avoid unexpected breakdowns, and ensure that your equipment is always ready for action. Think of it as a digital toolbox for keeping your operation in tip-top shape. It's like having all the tools you need right at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. With AHG, you always know where your equipment is, who's using it, and how it's performing. You can monitor usage patterns, track wear and tear, and schedule timely maintenance to prevent costly repairs. This means less guesswork, fewer surprises, and more control over your operations. With AHG QR Inventory, you can focus on getting the job done right, without worrying about equipment failures or downtime. It's your uptime ally, always there to support you. Contact us using contact form or by calling 208-806-3300 to learn more about our innovative solutions and how we can help your business achieve its full potential. We are located in beautiful Boise, Idaho. It's Mountain Time Zone.